In this video, we are going to learn how to create transient thermal analysis in Altair SimSolid. Transient thermal analysis in SimSolid is based on mode superposition method. For the sake of demo, we'll use this PCB model. Material is assigned to all the parts and connections are established between all the parts. To create transient thermal analysis, go to the main toolbar, click Transient Thermal Analysis. In the setup window that pops up, you can set the number of modes to extract, time span of the analysis, and the initial temperature. We'll go with 12 modes, time span as 100 seconds, and 0 Celsius as initial temperature. Click OK to complete the setup. The next step is to define the time function. We will create one uniform and one linear time functions. Uniform time function is available as one of the standard functions in SimSolid. So click on standard and pick function type as uniform and create the time function. Now let's create a linear time function. Open the time function dialog again and manually create the linear time function. Let's rename the time functions to uniform and linear for easy identification. Now let's add the boundary conditions. We are going to apply volume heat to a couple of parts and thermal convection to the top and bottom faces of the PCB board. Click on volume heat to open the window. Select the paths and set the value to 100 watts per meter cube. Assign the linear time function to volume heat and create the load. Now let's apply thermal convection to the top face. Open thermal convection, select the top face, set the temperature to 5 Celsius and convection coefficient to 10. Assign uniform time function and create the load. Create one more uniform thermal convection to the bottom face. Transient thermal analysis setup is now complete. Let's solve the analysis and review the results. The results are available now. Thermal transient analysis supports temperature, thermal flux, and temperature gradient as the result types. Select the temperature output to view the contour plot for temperature. You can also choose to view the values at specific points by using the Pick Info option. Select the points of interest and click Evaluate to see the response over a period of time. Thank you for watching.